Welcome to 3920 South Massey in the sought-after Nova Vista community in East Mesa. Set on a premium lot within walking distance to the elementary school, this home offers both privacy and convenience, with no neighbor directly across the street. At the center of the home, the kitchen is built for both daily living and gatherings, with a large island, quartz countertops, subway tile backsplash, stainless steel appliances, and plenty of storage. The owner's suite offers a quiet retreat with private patio access and a spacious walk-in closet. While the additional bedrooms provide comfortable space for family or guests. The split great room floor plan is thoughtfully designed, featuring tile flooring, accent paint, and a flexible bonus room with courtyard access, ideal for a home office, gym, or playroom. Step outside to a backyard designed for enjoying Arizona living year-round, with a covered patio, PebbleTech pool, water feature, synthetic grass, and a separate gazebo for added relaxation or entertaining. With a 3-car garage, RV gate, and a location in the Gilbert School District, this home brings together space, flexibility, and everyday comfort in one of East Mesa's most desirable neighborhoods.